Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Poppy Bank. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in poppy.bank and press the enter button. This will now take you into the official website of Poppy Bank. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Open New Account. Now in order to log in, you can click on the login button at the top left corner. Now you will be asked to enter your login name and your password. So just go ahead and enter your username followed by your password. Now just click on the Continue button and you will be logged into your account on Poppy Bank. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can click on Forgot Username or the Forgot Password button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Poppy Bank. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.